right, Ron. You've been a patient with us for a while, and I understand you're going to help us out today and let us know how you feel about the doctor and the procedures we've done for you in the past.
Yes. Let me introduce myself. I'm Ron Schramm. I'm 70 years old, and I've been a patient of Dr. Ryan since 2000. I've had a big history of dental problems, all because when I was a child I didn't have my teeth straightened, and I've had a lot of broken teeth and a hard bite that resulted in me having to get root canals, followed up by where the tooth would be brittle over a period of time, and the tooth would have to be pulled out, and I had to replace it with a bridge. So you start out with a 3-tooth bridge, and all of a sudden something else happens. Now you got a 4-tooth bridge. Over the years, I've had 3 bridges on my lower right, and I've had 2 bridges on my upper right. And the problem with bridges and root canals is they're not permanent. When I started to see Dr. Ryan in 2000, I had 2 implants put in on my lower right, followed by 2 implants with a sinus lift on my upper left, and then I had 2 more implants on my lower right. So I have a total of 6 implants. All I could say is I wish they had implants 40 years ago where I didn't have to spend all the money for the bridges. Implants are expensive, but they're permanent. I'm doing everything possible to try and save my teeth. When you have a missing tooth, the idea of putting a bridge and grinding on both of the teeth on either side of the missing tooth, it's a bad deal. You're better off just to get the implant. Bottom line, all for implant, but it's the way to go.
Right, and we're looking at 2 of them on the screen now. That's your upper left with your sinus elevation, and I think even you can see how strong the bone is.
This is where I had that sinus elevation where he raised the bone.
You see how much bone is there. Correct. That looks wonderful.
Yeah, I also want to mention I also had a skin graft, or gum graft, right? And I've been very happy with Dr. Ryan. I found him in the phone book in 2000 when I was needing some periodontal work, and I was also looking for a new dentist at the time, and Dr. Ryan hooked me up with Dr. O'Carroll, and I'm very happy with both of them. They're both very, I'm going to call them perfectionists. I mean, they're doing,
yes, they are.
Yeah, they're doing a great job and very concerned, and I've, again, been very happy with it.
Wonderful. Thank you.